I touch them?
Yeah, touch them.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh. He got scared.
We're gonna go somewhere.
Turn to the side.
These are cute. Ow. Them hurt. They hurt. Let me take them back off. Yeah. Let's see your bathing suit. Who's on there? Princess. Princess.
Beach day number 1, and I'm on my way to bury the hidden treasure. We didn't have room to bring the treasure box, so we're just gonna pack it, bury it in the packaging. So I gotta be really careful with this so that I don't lose what I buried. I'm gonna find some very easy spots to bury this and get back out here before anybody else finds it. What a beautiful morning. Very beautiful. This is the earliest I've ever been on the beach. Kinsley just couldn't hardly sleep. It's like not even 8 yet maybe, and we are already starting our day on the beach. And it's supposed to rain today, so it's a good thing we're getting out here before it does, if it does. So here's our first treasure map. I gotta come down off the beach and take a right, and then I'll bury it somewhere around here. All right, I have the X marks the spot. Once she finds this one, there's gonna be another treasure map that she's gotta have to spell her name in the sand to get the next clue to find out where the booty is. This X stays here and I don't lose it, but I got it right beside this plant, so it'll be easy to find. Barbie will come see you in about 2 minutes, I hope. Heather got a mermaid Barbie so we can play in the plant, and the other one was a fishing pole because the one we had last year broke, and she really liked it. Find those first during the week so she can play with those throughout the week.
What's that?
Is that a treasure map?
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's follow it and see what happens. Yeah, please. Let's gotta follow that treasure map.
I got X.
Oh,
X marks the spot.
X. All right. What's
Okay.
going out?
Okay.
Say cheese. Ginger, say cheese.
All right, we got your treasure map. Yep.
Yep, so we're crossing the road now.
Yep.
You tell me what's next.
Crossing the road. Now what do we do? Turn right.
Yep, that's
Turn
right.
right.
Gotta turn right.
All right. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost
I wonder
there.
what it's gonna be.
To the X.
To the
To
X,
the X.
that's right.
Oh. All right, what's your map say? Since we went across the bridge.
Now we made it to the beach. We're almost there.
This way? Where do we go?
Let's grab our shovel so we can help dig.
I do this way.
Okay, you grab that one. I hope pirates didn't get it to it first. You think they got to it first?
No.
Good.
They're way over there. Don't get the bases. The sand feels good.
Good.
Soft.
Look, keep looking everywhere for an X over here too.
Is there an X? I see one.
Is that an X?
Yeah.
Well,
We gotta
start
dig.
digging.
Start.
Can we help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Find that treasure.
Dig. Dig. Dig.
Dig.
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
I lost this one. You found your treasure.
Found some treasure.
Yeah.
Show Mom. What is it?
Wow. I get this.
Yeah. Awesome. What else though?
Is there something else in there? Yeah. Another map. There's another map. Hey.
So, we're right here. We got to go back this way where we came from and find another one. Yep. Okay. Wow.
We got another map. Yeah. We got more treasure.
Before we can get to it, we have to spell your name in the sand. We got to spell your name in the sand. Can you help me?
Yep. Name.
What's first?
K.
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 What's next?
I know.
I.
I.
I. She said it. I. What's next?
N. I used to do that all the time with my feet.
And you never showed her. S.
S.
Lee.
L.
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 Now E.
Y.
Kinsley.
Now let's find that last treasure.
Where do we go?
This we got to turn around this way. It says.
Okay, go this way.
I'm going to a big lake now.
Yep.
I know. Whoa! Now we can really see the ocean because it's sunny outside. Find another X.
There was a little X. I didn't know.
Didn't mean to have a little X. Whoa, it's a big X.
This is a big X right here. Yeah.
All right, let's
All right,
dig.
let's start digging. Yeah.
Dig,
we don't need a
dig,
shovel.
dig, dig. Dig like a dog.
I found something.
You found something already?
Yeah.
What in the world could it be?
Come on.
Oh, I'll help
Come on.
find some.
Do it. Come. Do it. Get out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Help me.
Standing on
He's
it.
standing on it.
Mermaid. That's for me.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can use that in the pool.
Yeah.
And the bathtub.
Yeah.
Show Mom what you found.
I found this mermaid.
Wow.
Are you excited?
X. We're mermaid.
That's some good treasure you found.
Yep. And they find another one.
I don't think there's another treasure map though.
Okay. We can look for another one.
Later.
somewhere.
Later. Good one. Who's gonna touch the ocean first?
Me.
I just love the ocean and the beach.
Sounds like we're sleeping.
I know. So glad we made it.
Woohoo!
Woo, it's a little chilly this morning. Are you surfing for dudes?
Say cowabunga!
Bunga bunga.
Bunga
Bunga
bunga!
bunga.
Say hang 10! That bunga.
Now you can get all in the ocean.
Yep. It didn't knock me down either.
Woo! Ah. I love it. We made it to the beach. We get to play in the ocean and the sand, and she's kicking me while we're standing out here.
Mom!
Hey! Ah! And y'all got far out there.
Yeah, we did, Mom.
Woo!
We can sit right here. We can sit down right here.
Somebody's getting a mud bath.
That'd be me. She's the mommy.
Oh, Mommy Kinsley.
I got dirty, Mom.
Are we playing in the sand now, in the water?
The water sinks into the sand. You can't fill it up. It always goes away.
Oh.
Look,
What'd you find?
this is crazy. 2 hermit crabs. Can you see them there? Well,
We
there's
got
2.
in a really pretty shell.
Well,
Look,
one of them.
Kinsley.
Look at that.
Oh,
Look, they're very nice. They're called hermit crabs.
Yeah.
Can we put them?
Let's put them in a water. They need water too, though.
Aw.
Hope it's not too.
Dad was trying to catch fish.
Yep, I was trying to catch fish.
He got hermit crabs.
Gotta be gentle with them. Yeah, we don't have to pay for these. Look at that one go.
That one.
Wow.
I love it.
We gotta give them some shells and stuff to play with.
They're just moving.
Wow.
Kinsley.
No. Kinsley, look.
She wanted to give him a shell.
Okay, yeah, you can give them a shell. Just one though.
Do they bite?
Find out. Put your hand in there.
I want to touch them. Look.
I bet there's a whole nest of them over there.
Oh my gosh, that one. I love that one.
That's the coolest shell.
Look, Kinsley. What do you think?
There's a pill in it.
It's a crab.
Can that be your pet?
Yeah.
You want that to be your pet?
Yeah.
Should we give them some names?
I can't touch them.
Look, they're
Whoa! They're playing.
They'll get them.
This is National Geographic stuff right here.
You got mine.
They're making some new ones.
I get another one.
Are they making some new ones? What?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if you should be watching this, Kinsley.
What is it?
2 hermit crabs.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check it out. Show them, Kinsley.
That's awesome. You just caught them right there?
Yeah.
Really?
Like I saw this one. I picked that one up and put it in there. And when I got here, there was 2 that were
Be
in there.
careful with them.
I think they were like, he was like grasped onto that one.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that's wild.
Cool.
I touch them?
Yeah, touch them.
Yeah.
Which one? He got scared too, didn't he?
Yeah.
But tell him, Kinsley's nice. You don't have to be scared of Kinsley.
You don't be scared to Kinsley. No. I'll be scared in it.
See, he's scared of you, but we don't have to be scared of him. See, it's okay. We can touch him, but be gentle. And see, his home is a seashell. That's his home.
Yeah. I
There's
touch
a crab in there.
That can be me.
Want it to be you?
Yeah.
That'll be little Kinsley.
Yeah.
That pretty shell. That can be little Kinsley.
This one can be my Scarlet right there.
That can be Scarlet?
That can be Kinsley.
All
We got a
right.
Kinsley and a Scarlet.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, we need to find an Addie.
Yeah.
So cool. First beach day.
That's going to be hard to top.
I know.
Shouldn't have done that.
Who does that look like? Who do they look like?
Looks like Mollie.
Does it look like Mollie? We should bring Mollie sometime.
Well,
You would love it.
they thought we brought Mollie.
Oh yeah.
And
When
boy,
we first got here.
yeah, the about hit the ground. It
No,
was-
so let me go get Mollie out of the car.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I got to get Mollie out. I should have been
And
filming.
they all said, yeah, he didn't warn me before he said.
With me in the ocean.
Oh.
Yes, of course I
Of
will.
course.
I gotta-
Just keep seeing all kinds of awesome stuff. This has been the first beach day, best day ever.
It's the Loch Ness Monster.
It's a big swan.
Oh, seagull. Or is it a swan?
I don't know, is it a seagull or a
It's
swan?
not a seagull.
I'll have to watch this video.
What?
Look at it!
Swan can't be out here.
I can't believe how big it is.
Swan like swan.
It's huge.
Swan like water.
Oh, the swan does like the water. Show me how it's done. I can't do it.
Mermaid.
Oh, Mermaid. What's your name, Mermaid?
I found my daddy. I flew away.
You need to find your dad.
I flew away.
You got one. Did you catch one?
No.
Oh. Is that what a mermaid does? Comes a big one.
This one.
Whoa.
Put it on your wrist.
Kinsley, stay there. Watch out.
My feet right here. There's like a billion of them. I can't reach one.
One of them's got to.
Them got you? Them got you? Them got you, Mom?
They're touching my feet.
Oh well, maybe next year.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crabs.
Oh my goodness!
What are you saying?
How about that?
There's 2 of them in here. Uh-oh.
All right.
How about that?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Yep.
What's his name? Hermit?
Hermit
Hermit?
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab. That's his name? Where does he live?
His home is his shell.
In the ocean.
Yep. I was going for fish and got 2 hermit crabs.
You did good.
Did she get it? What'd she get? How many? Oh, you can only get 1 hop. I got it.
I mean, there's a ton.
I know.
They kept touching my feet.
I can't believe you did it.
I got one. Look how tiny. Touch him.
Let's get him in water.
Let's give him some water. I want to touch him too. He's floating.
I bet all his friends are making fun of him.
Fish.
Your first fish? So what's cooler to catch, a fish or hermit crabs? Plural. What's cooler? His friends are talking to him about him, saying, put him in the pink one. And the pink one.
I got this down here.
Okay.
She caught a fish.
Yep. Let's get it.
Oh, she caught a fish.
Put it in the water.
How about that? Lift it.
Man, I wish we were filming. I caught it with my bare hands.
Yeah, you did. Look how fast he's going. Should we put him with his friend? Are they still over there?
Yeah, you mean to put him in there?
Yeah. Be careful with it.
Okay, I'll be careful. He's oh, there he goes.
There he goes. Are the hermit crabs still in there?
Yeah.
They're sleeping.
They're talking. They're like, how did we get in here?
Oh no, how did we
How are we going to
this?
get out? What you getting? You're going to touch it, Mom?
Look,
Look, Mommy's touching it.
Look. Can I let him crawl
Yeah.
around? Look, watch
Look.
him. Look at him. Come here. Come
That's
closer.
that's you. That's Kinsley. That's the one we named Kinsley.
Yeah.
Hey, Kinsley. You like your friend Kinsley?
like that.
Yeah.
Get set.
Go.
Go.
No, let them race.
Don't let them race.
Look at him. See if he'll get it out of your hand.
I guess
Is that a ducky?
he likes it.
He likes it.
He get mine.
Yeah, I told you he liked this.
He like
Get a
crackers.
little bit
Look at all these animals we're seeing.
Wow,
It's a lizard.
We're at a zoo. We've seen fish,
I know.
lizard, duck, crabs.
Seagull. Huge.
I look like a swan.
Swan thing.
I mean, I couldn't imagine.
All kind of animals. Alright.
Is that the treasure?
Barbie's ready to swim. You ready?
Yeah.
Want me to hand her to you?
Teach her how to swim.
Teach her how to swim.
Oh, I like her fin.
Woo. She's swimming.
Whoosh.
Whoosh.
She's pretty fast, like Kinsley. I'll be Captain Hook. Who? King? Who should I be? Ariel. King? Oh no, what's wrong?
A frog in your throat.
Can I help you with it? Can you open up wide? You gotta open up wide.
Ow, hurts.
Ow, oh, ow, oh, that looks like it hurts. Does it hurt?
And it hurts.
Oh, does that hurt?
Yeah.
Like in the hot tub.
It's awesome.
That's
Our new hot tub.
Rub it. Rub it.
I
Rub
see
it.
you again.
You got the frog out.
Rub it.
Let's go.
Rub it. Oh no, okay, okay.
No,
Woo.
Oh, it's your pet frog. many kids.
I know. You gonna boogie board?
Yep. We've got a boogie board.
I mean, they've got some up there. We're out at the beach again. Be careful. You got a little pool?
Not always game.
You like that? I'm laying out and somebody is moving around.
Are they coming back to get this or what?
Brent said she was. What?
Let's go to the pool.
I was wanting to see her kick. She was kicking me.
You're not gonna get water on
Stop.
me.
Am I?
Who cares about the rain? Oh no! Oh, is it?
Pouring down. You gonna fix it for her? You fixed it!
I better see those done that.
Doing it for a while.
Can you get your cracker?
Throw that one. Now he wants one. That's what he's telling me. He's saying quack.
Quacker. Quacker, cracker.
Watch this.
I do it. I do it.
You gonna hold it? You gonna hand it to him? Listen. Easy.
Get your camera ready.
You got it?
I got it.
That was nice. That was cool. Which one do you like? I like the one with the green head.
I like that one.
That one.
I got one more piece. Throw it.
Yeah.
Right here.
He's stepping on
He's
the
standing
cracker.
on it.
There we go. He said quack, he wants more.
Well, quacker.
Quacker.
The quacker.
Quack, 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 quack.
Where did you learn how to talk to a duck?
Quack, quack, quack.
Wow, it's thunderstorm coming. That house, it's like they use this driveway, but it's like they have two backyards. Here and then back there. Or their backyard is their front yard and their front yard is their backyard. All fenced in and everything. Got a hot tub, patio. Weird. Maybe that's the new thing. Like people in the future will have two backyards, or they'll have their front yard like fenced in and all private and everything. Night night, Kinsley. Wake her up. Say wake up. She's not sleeping. She's pretending. Her eyes are closed. How is she doing that? Oh, she made it. Night, night. He just wants to play with you. Isn't that right, Asher? Being a sweetie. That was a close one. You gotta be careful. Watch it. Hey, hey, Asher.
So now we're on the town. Is that how you say it? Night out on the town.
Night on. Night out.
I don't either. Alright, we're gonna play putt-putt with our friends that are down here. Kenzo has had a nap today, so she is about to fall asleep, and my aunt's watching her for now. And yeah, so we're getting out of the house for a little bit.
You have to go play some putt-putt.
Yep. Let's see who wins.
I hope it's me or you.
I don't even know if I can.
Like,
Huh?
you can't even see the ball.
I know, I was about to say, I've never played with Big Belly, so I don't know.
Alright, ready? Cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I had to play it safe.
Word Jones, huh? So you wouldn't think about a 4-door car? Or no, you want an SUV?
I don't know. 2.
Like a
I think you're still winning.
Like a new Camry or a...
Alright, Heather, what you got?
Oh, look.
Wait for it.
Got it there.
Oh!
Oh, you lucky. Whoa.
We needed that to catch up.
Did I?
Could you see the ball over your belly?
I know.
You just made up for it.
There you go.
Oh. Wait, wait. Hit, just step on it. Step on the, step, no, closer to the edge.
Oh, this? What are you talking about?
It ain't budging.
Could she still get a 3?
Oh! Alright, this is going on YouTube.
Alright.
So what, breaks this way? Should I use my putter?
It does. I think you should get a bus.
Whoa. You knocked it off of there. Lost his ball.
That's all I had to do.
Yep, that's all you had to do. That was a good one. Whoa, that was close.
Darn it!
My lucky ball.
Still got 3 after all that.
Yep.
Get in by the time it gets around. Maybe.
Oh, my.
Boo! Boo!
All right, Heather, you can still beat Joel by sinking this next one. I mean, you're going to have to put your back into it. There you go. Oh, right power, wrong direction. Good power on that one, Joel, just wrong way.
3rd time's a charm.
Oh, there we go. There's the old college try.
Because I know I'm going to make it hole in one right here.
All right.
Oh,